and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another Care Bear haul, and everything in this haul is from Ross. So we're going to start out with one of my favorite things, which is this beautiful little picture. I think this is my first picture that I have. And of course it's one of those like cardboard ones, you know what I mean. Like I feel like it'll break very easily if you don't take care of it. Okay, it was $7.99. Sorry, the tag up here was ripped, but it did have it on the back. So $7.99. I really like this one. Alright. Okay, these. These are Care Bear razors. As you can see, I've already dug into them. Couldn't help it. Needed one. Nothing on the razor is anything Care Bear. It's literally just the packaging. It's just a pink razor. They were $4.49. I don't know if that's bad for 6 razors. I usually don't buy them. My favorite's like Nair or something. That's all I really use. But yeah, it's triple blade razors, aloe vera, moisture strip, and pivoting head. So there's that. Oh, what I'm super excited for. Okay, yes, I do already have this bear. We found it at, where did we find it? The Goodwill. Me and him did one time.
You said all that from Ross.
Yes, all this is from Ross. But this one, I did actually find at Ross for $3.99. So there he is. He's really cute. Still got the tag, so that makes me feel better compared to the other one that we found. But he's just so squishy. But, yeah. Also, do you like my Care Bear shirt? I got it from 5 and Below. If you are wondering. It was a while ago, though. Alright, and these are kids' Care Bear socks. Hey, if you need any socks. They look like they fit. Yep, these are $3.99. Let's see if I can kind of show you what they say without opening the pack. Okay. So there is just some kind of Care Bear on that one. Oh, and then it says Care a Lot.
I think that might be Care Bear.
Care Bear. Of course it's a Care Bear. Well, it's pink and purple. It's kind of strange. Okay, this one says Caring is Magic. If these were my size, I definitely would open them, but since they're not, I might give them away to somebody that they will fit.
They'll probably fit me.
Oh, this might be, okay, I can't remember what bear it is. It might be like the 40th anniversary bear, that pretty sparkly one. It might be Care a Lot bear or something, but there's that.
Care a Lot?
Yeah, something like that.
Well, Care a Lot is a place in Care Bears.
Yeah, that's where they live. But here's just a random star on the gray ones. That's what they are. And then this one is that bear again. So yeah, these are very cute. I don't see very many items with that bear on it. But I really like that bear. I really do. If I can remember, I will find it and put a picture up on screen. If not, I plan to do at the end of the year my collection haul video. I would love to go through everything I own that's Care Bear. Of course, everything that I keep in my collection area. I do have tons and tons of clothes, but that I wear every single day, or accessories and stuff. I might show all of that in the video. Who knows? But back to the video we're on. Let's see. Bluetooth wireless LED headphones with light-up ears. I'm opening these because I need a pair. They were $12.99.
We are all.
This is hands-free call and audio. Let's see. Features multicolored lights, and it has togetherness bear on it. So let's see. Why is there already hairs inside of it? Okay, they are long and blonde hairs, which could be a chance of them being mine, but at the same time, I have not opened this box. Kind of weird, but it does look like it's been opened before.
Yeah, because the tape was missing.
Yeah, that is weird. Alright, let's see if these come on or if they have any charge or anything. It's funny looking. They are really cute. Look, they got little togetherness on the side. You can't hear anything with those on. Okay, what I'm excited for. Now this is a Carebear LED light projector. We will go ahead and pull this out. I don't know how bright it'll be, if it has any charge, if it plugs in. I think it plugs in. Okay, it was reduced priced. It was originally $10.99. I got it for $7.49. It was the only one when I found it. And all my videos that are coming out right now are all very late. There was a death in the family and just a lot going on. I'm hoping to get back to posting every day. Hoping. Let's see. Well, let's see here. Alright, comes in pieces. Alarming. Oh gosh, I hate screwing things on. I feel like I always miss it. Okay. First off, Riley, unplug that light, baby. Him that rabbit. Now have you plugged this in?
I love my bunnies.
Huh?
I love my bunnies.
You love your bunnies? Alright, plug that in. I'll hold this. You plug that in.
Of course I know.
Oh, okay. So you don't have to set it on this, which is kind of cool. Might be a little dark for a minute. Might turn this one off just so we can see if we can see it. But with it being daylight right now, we might not be able to. Okay, is it in?
No.
Okay, it is in
Not
now. I don't know how. Ah! Okay, so we're going to grab the phone and we're going to show you on the wall. Okay, let's see. Let's see.
I think that's the coolest part. It's cheaper.
Okay, so there is a little dial. Hold on, where are we at here? Right here, you just roll it back and forth and it tilts it. So if you've got it on the stand and it's just a little cricket, you can tilt it a little bit. But I love this. This would be so cute for just a little backdrop. But back to setting you guys back up. Okay, you're sitting on the stand. But we're cricket now. Okay, don't do that to them. Now they're... I guess I could have done it like this. Now there's a Care Bear. But yeah, you would just set it on the stand. And there you go.
Hey, Sissy.
It's so much brighter in person, but of course with the window over here and everything, it's going to be hard to see. So, let's get the lights back on. So there's that. I really like that. That is really cool. I only open stuff that I'm going to use, and if I'm not going to use it, I end up giving it away or I'll collect it or something.
It up.
A lot of times I like to give stuff away. Riley has Care Bear stuff too. He's got too much.
Hey, it's not my fault.
He's got
You buy
not
it.
nearly as much as I do.
Not my fault. You buy it for me.
Oh yeah? Alright, also what I am super excited about is, oh, wrong side. Look at these babies. My mom got this for me. Let's see, it was $5.99.
Wait, what?
But my favorite part about this cup is not only the front, as you can see their little butts, but you know what they're missing? The little heart on the butt. Why they forgot that perfect, oh, They've got it on the side of the butt up front. Okay.
Yeah,
I've been talking about this cup for a while, about how it didn't have the heart on the butt. I think I would have preferred the heart on the butt instead of on the front. If that makes sense. But it all looks like they're kind of turned sideways by how their tails are. Okay. I'll forgive them this time.
This time only.
The last thing. I'm so excited for this one. I know I say that for everything, and I don't know why I'm so excited is my favorite words. But one of my friends, my really, really close friend, got this for me. And she has a YouTube channel. You should go subscribe to her before you see what she got me. Okay. It is my favorite Carebear, and this is the first Funshine cup that I have. This is the Carebear thing. And look at the handle. It's a freaking heart. It was $6.99. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And she wouldn't let me pay her back for it. Of course she wouldn't. But anyways.
Because she's your best friend.
Yeah, that's true. That's why. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, I love it so much. So,
I love it.
Thank you.
I love it.
Her channel is, I usually try to put it down below. If not, it's Ray Is It. R-E-Y. Is it? Go search it up.
Is it?
Is it?
Go
subscribe.
Channel.
What was your favorite item? Mine's gotta be this. I love
Comment
this.
down below.
Either this or this. These are tied because this is really freaking cool. Which is your favorite? I'm gonna drink coffee out of this today. You like the headphones?
Yeah. Because there ain't much that don't have the strings
What do you mean?
to hook up to the phone.
Oh, you like that they're Bluetooth?
Mm-hmm.
He likes that they're
And
Bluetooth.
they also
Light up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye!